Hi guys, welcome back to my videos where I made factorization very easy for you by ODCSE 1 Group 1. Here we have a step-by-step process. Step 1, find the factors of 3x plus 6y. That's the exercise we'll be doing today. We're showing you how to break down it using factorization. First, you see 3 is common factor of both terms inside the expression here, and this will be the outcome. We have to put it like that. We must note that 3 is common, so we put 3 outside and then put all the rest of the exercise in brackets as you see there. Step 2, is another example in which we put ax plus 2ay subtract 4az. This one will be outcome with a is common inside the exercise above there, so we put a outside, and as you can see we factorize out a and we'll put it in brackets, the rest of the sum in brackets as you can see there. Step 3, in which we 3 subtract a open bracket 7 subtract x close bracket. A is a common factor of both terms and we have to simplify the brackets there. And this will be the outcome there. This is how you're supposed to put it. Because a is common with throughout the exercise, we put it as that. A will be outside, and we put 3 subtract open bracket 7 subtract x close bracket close bracket. That will be the solution. The constant, the numbers will subtract them themselves. We will have 3 subtract 7, that will give you negative 4, and this negative sign outside the bracket, and the negative sign in front, the x will turn to a positive because a negative multiplied by a negative will be a positive number, positive sign. Inside factorization, basically you have a second type of result you will have, and that we will show right here, and I'll show you how to get to that point. Here we have HP subtract 2FQ plus HQ subtract FP. Here we factorize, we put a common group of common terms, and that will be HP subtract 2FP. Inside that bracket there, they have P common, so we group the common P's terms, and in other bracket we have HQ subtract 2FQ. That bracket we have both of the terms have Q inside that which are common. Here we'll show you how to break it down. We have to factorize out P and Q, and here is how we have to do it. As you can see, the P goes back inside the bracket. We factorize it out, and that will be outside the bracket here, as well as the Q, and here will be the final answer for that. This is the second type of result we'll have inside factorization. And it's very important to make sure that your signs and numbers is both identical inside the brackets, or else you cannot continue. As for example, on previous exercise. Here, step 5 will show you another one, how to factorize using square. You have to take out the factors of a and r. Then, as you can see, we can complete the square as a plus r close bracket a subtract 2b close bracket. As you can see before, inside brackets above you, both terms have a negative sign. That's where we can continue. Step 6, We find the factors of a square plus bc plus ab plus ac. This have the conclusion of grouping the like terms, as you can see there. As you can see, we have to factorize out a and c. And this example here, we cannot go down any further because the signs are different. As you can see here, the signs are different, so this will have no solution. We cannot go down any further. Step 7. Step 7. We find the factors of x squared plus 8x plus 7. So we have to represent the x squared as is shown in brackets there. Two x's separate. And all signs are positive, so we have to represent it as that of open bracket x plus the rest of the numbers. So we have to continue. And the factors of 7, as you can see before, are 1 and 7. We cannot have no other numbers, so we have to represent it as this. Open bracket x plus 1, close bracket, open bracket x plus 7. And the sum there will equal to the solution. Open bracket x plus 1, close bracket, open bracket x plus 7, close bracket. Exercise. We have some exercise here to test yourselves. If you have any comments, please leave it below, and do try and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for coming.